Well, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good whatever time of day you are watching this video. My name is Jami Jo, and you have found yourself on Jami Jo Sells Wax. Today, we have something really exciting because I have a box that's still sealed up here. I just received my warmer of the month for March of 2024, and we are going to do an unboxing of that warmer. Now, you might be telling yourself, but Jami, it's not even March yet. Yeah, I know, but getting the warmer and scent of the month a touch early is one of the perks of being a Scentsy consultant. One of the many perks of being a Scentsy consultant, but it's a really fun one because we get to see that warmer and smell that scent before it's even available to the public. So while I am opening this box, let me tell you just a little bit about myself and about why I love Scentsy. My name is Jami Jo. Like I said, I am in northeastern Oklahoma. And I found Scentsy while I was teaching. I am a degreed teacher, and I taught in both private and public school. That's what I was doing when I found Scentsy. I fell in love with it, first as a customer, became an addict, and here I am over 15 years later. There we go, guys. That's the journey, and the box is open. So, of course, got to pull out all that packing paper. Oh, not that much this time. Wow. This is a big warmer box. Okay, so this is the warmer of the month and scent of the month. It is a kit that Scentsy sends out on a monthly basis. So as a consultant, we have the choice of subscribing to this or not. It is absolutely in no way required as a consultant. And there's two different options. You can choose to just get the scent of the month, or you can choose to stack on the warmer of the month as well. So I get both scent and warmer of the month. I'm going to go through and show you what all comes in this kit. It is charged to our account on the 15th of the month prior to the month it goes live. So we always get it early. We get 50 of these flyers. I'm going to leave it just like that because you can't see the warmer yet. I'll show it to you in a second what it looks like. But 50 flyers that we can stick in customer orders or mail out to them. This is what I love. These are so fun. We get rub and sniff stickers. Guys, do you remember back in elementary school when your teacher would give you a paperback and it had a paper back to you, not a paperback book, and it would have that scratch and sniff sticker on it? It's the joy of that, like, all the time. Look at the size of this box. This is a giant warmer box. Look. Yep. Easter. Guys, did you see how early Easter is this year? It's in March. March 31st, but still in March. I don't remember the last time it was in March. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this and show it to you, and then we can dig into the fragrance. How about that, friends? Oh, one of these pain in the butt warmers. Well, actually, it's not too bad because they've moved to this corrugated cardboard-ish stuff. Used to it was styrofoam, and these made such a mess when we would unbox the ones like this. I'm thankful they've switched to that different packaging. Okay, that wasn't bad at all. So I just slid that out, and look, it's even like all one piece. Okay, I spoke too soon. That was actually really easy to open. Here we go. Oh my goodness. How cute. One full piece. Of course, it is Scentsy branded on the back. One piece. So this does not have a separate dish. It's built into the warmer. This is what we call an element warmer. Looks like this one does not have any light whatsoever. There's an element, a heating element built into the warmer under this. So yes, you do still have to plug it in. And this is a little indicator light. All of our warmers have the toggle switch on the cord. The indicator light will come on when it's plugged in, and that dish will just warm the wax right there. Now guys, I am definitely seeing a trend with the warmer of the month every month this year. We had the really simple element heart warmer in January. In February, we had this guy, a really cute, simple St. Patrick's Day hat. And now we have the same type of warmer for Easter for March. So now I'm really curious what they're going to throw at us for next month. But I love this because this is going to go in so many different decors. And this isn't specifically Easter either. This could just be a great springtime warmer. I know a lot of people that decorate with little critters and fun little animals in the spring. So yeah, it's sitting next to a basket, but this doesn't scream Easter basket to me. It doesn't have the Eastery colors. I like that it's just the solid white. I really think they did well with this warmer of the month. In a second, when I jump into the little flyer, we'll look at the price. But let me put this guy back down because we have some more things to look at in that box. Okay, that was like the easiest warmer ever to rebox. Yeah. Thank you, Scentsy, for doing that. I was really thinking it was going to be worse because I already got it boxed back up. How about that? I don't know why I'm putting it back in the box because that guy's going to be put away and this is going to be put in that spot. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Digging back into the box, I get a pack of pods in our scent of the month, Cotton Candy Tails. Now, guys, they have switched up the warmer of the month kit lately. Used to, it came with several bars and a room spray, and now it comes with several bars and a pack of pods, which I absolutely love. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We get 7 bars of the scent of the month and a set of pods. So I told you, Cotton Candy Tails. Let's stick our nose in it. My nose is a little bit runny today. Let me give it a, oh, excuse me, pardon me. Needed to give it a good little wipe before I stuck my nose in a bar. How about that? Okay, this is like super, super sweet. I'm getting like sweet tart vibes, pixie stick vibes. I mean, it is called Cotton Candy Tails, so maybe cotton candy vibes. It's definitely sweet, definitely sugary. I have some friends that have loved a fragrance that we've had in the past that was just called Sugar. If you liked that, you're going to love this. We've had a couple different really sweet ones. So here's the flyer that we get. It's always the same design. Like here's the one from last month. It's always going to look the same, just with the different warmer on it. So then on the inside, we get more information about the warmer and the bar. And it's going to tell us what's in this bar. It says wild strawberry hops into a fluffy fantasy of creamy caramel and sweet spun sugar. Of course, it is in the bakery family. And then, okay, so I was telling you about the basic simple heart warmer in January, February, and then we have this happy hair is what she's called in March. So I see a trend going on with the warmers of the month. Now, here's the cool thing. Warmer of the month and scent of the month is always 10% off. So this warmer would normally be $60. They've marked it down to $54 in the month of March. And any of the fragrance products in this scent is going to be 10% off too. But honestly, most of my customers always do a 6-pack, and it's a better deal to do that. And so you can tuck this scent in a 6-pack pick. Anytime you buy 5 barbs, you're going to get one free. And we do that with the pods too. Buy 5 pods, get one free. And you can always put the scent of the month in one of the 6-packs. Guys, you can grab this starting March 1st on my website, JamiJoSellsWax.com, and you can always do those 6-pack picks. If you're looking to do one of those, go to my website and then click on the tab that says specials, and then you're going to see where it says bundle and save. That's where you're going to find those 6-pack picks and those combo deals that save you the most money. Guys, I would love to see your order come through on my website, but if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I am totally here to help you guys. You can ask questions here on this video. I am on Facebook and Instagram, both of those under the handle Jami Jo Sells Wax, or you can text me direct at 918-888-9690, and happy to help you with any questions that you have there. Just a reminder, my name is Jami Jo, and I hope that you have a sensational day. See what I did there? Sensational, sensational, yeah. I didn't come with any dad jokes today, so you get that one. Have a great day, guys.